Hello, today I'm in Volkswagen Multivan. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side from the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever, simply push it upwards to use front wipers in interval mode. Push this lever upwards again to use it in slow mode, and again to use it in fast mode. Also, you can adjust the interval mode intensity by twisting the button on the top of the lever, and in the end you can use the front wipers once by pulling the lever downwards. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.